Okay, so right now let me show how to use this with my tools. So click on vehicles. I will choose in the Nissan Chris. Here's Chris. I can search. So I find it. This one is 2014 Chris. So we're choosing this one. Okay. So we connect with the app. Programming pad. So here is the one we're going to choose, this one. So all the sensor has been already installed. What we need to do is OBD Relearn. Okay. Connection failed and we connect again. Okay, good now. So we will have some update need to do. So let me go ahead and update. So the update is usually taking a minute, so it's very quick. So basically we using the Bluetooth to connect with the programming pad and the OBD dongle. On this screen, we can also set up the automatic shutdown time. Okay, right now it's good. Go back, and we have Chris here. And right now we can activate. So right now this sensor is almost out of battery. So it's very hard to trigger. Same with this one. I cannot trigger this one. Okay, still can trigger. Okay, so that one is OE. So when we go to relearn, and then we have to connect with the OBD dongle. OBD right here. And go to the on position. So the power is on. Right now we can write in. So we need to connect the OBD. The OBD is this one, the KA799 OBD.
Music from friends and influences.
Okay, we don't update because if we update, there will be information erased.
Other internet connected devices.
Visit www.siri.
So for some vehicles, if they only have one TPMS light, and the position is not really matter. But if they have like a dashboard and show individual tire pressure, and the position will be matter. So it's taking time.